Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone screen never turn off or keep it on until you decide to turn it off. So the way to do this is really simple. First thing you're going to do is go into your setting and then scroll down to display and brightness. And from display and brightness, just go down a little bit further under auto lock right here. By default, your phone will auto lock, meaning the display will lock by 30 seconds. What you need to do in order to never have it happen, you just select never. Now keep in mind, if you do this setting, it will use more energy and your phone is going to lose its battery quicker during the time that it is on. So this time the phone will never basically turn off on me or lock itself unless you click the side button. So that's the only time. And then once you go back again to the display, same exact thing, it will not basically turn off by itself. It'll just stay on just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.